see how to do Prasadita Padottanasana with the help of bricks. First, she's going to get into the final posture. Look at her, how she's going down. Very nice. Very good. Look at her, she's in the final posture. She's done it so gracefully. Now let's see how to do it with the bricks. Slowly come up a little. Place one brick under one palm, another one under another palm. Okay? Once you place both your palms on the bricks, you will slowly exhale and go down. So this is one option, or else you can just extend your hands and also stay in the posture which she was before. Slowly extend your hands and you can also stay here. Any one option is fine. Now the second way to do it is you will place the bricks one on the other this way and slowly place your palms in the side, and you will place your crown of the head on the brick. Once you feel this is easy, remove one brick. Very good. You can place it just with one. Now once you feel this is also easy, you can completely don't stop using the bricks and you can go to the final posture. Isn't it easy? So this is how you can use the bricks in this posture.